Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. So to get started, you will want to hold the power key in order to power off your device. And select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold the power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. And when you see the HUAWEI logo, you can let go of the keys and simply wait for the device to boot into the recovery mode, which there we go. And from here, select clear data and then select wipe cache partition. This will quickly go to wiping of it, which as you can see, it finishes up quite quickly. Also, for some reason, just gave us some kind of graphical glitch, as you can see right here. So you want to select the last option, which normally would say back. As you've seen, once I pressed it, it looked normal. And from here, we want to choose restart, which takes us back to Harmony OS. And as you can see, we're now back in our system. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.